On July 25, a powerful typhoon struck the coast of China. The wind speed reaches over 140 kilometers per hour. Zhejiang province and the city of Shanghai suffered the most from the disaster. Maritime, land and air communications were interrupted. The Shanghai authorities have evacuated more than 300,000 people. Dozens of ships have been evacuated from a busy port in the south of Shanghai. The movement of the metro and high-speed trains has been stopped. Shanghai airports as well as Hangzhou Airport cancelled all flights. In some places, there was a cutoff of water, internet and electricity. Local authorities require people to stay at home and not go outside or on the coastline. China's meteorological service predicts that the typhoon may remain in the east of the country for a long time.